Special thanks to our friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us their car wireless FM transmitter to unbox and show you. So this is the front of the box, nothing really around the box. The back just tells you car wireless FM transmitter, features a Type-C 36 watt max and a USB Type-A 12 watt max, dual fast charging ports. It has a built-in Bluetooth 5.3 chip for more stable connection, clear hands-free calling, voice navigation, and FM channel displays, bass booster to ensure stereo hi-fi lossless stereo music. Soft LED light easily indicates charging port and devices. So let's open this up, and inside of here I'll show you the product and explain how it works. Take this part on out, set it there, and then that's really it besides your booklets. That's officially it there for the box. Warranty policy, a whole user's manual. This will tell you how to sync it with your FM radio and all of that fun stuff you'll need to know. And then kind of a troubleshooting guide. How does this work? Well, basically, you would take this device and plug it into your cigarette lighter. So you're in your car, this is plugged into your cigarette lighter. Once this has power, it'll put off a Bluetooth signal that you're able to connect to with your phone. Once your phone is Bluetooth to this device, you're able to connect this device to the FM radio inside of your car. That gives you the ability to play the audio from your phone through Bluetooth to this device, and this device then plays it through the car speakers in your old school car. You would need a much older car for this to work properly. Here's your two USB-A ports for charging, as well as your PD36W USB-C port. Got a little button here, and this is kind of like a little joystick, so you could click through certain things on the menu. That's going to be feature dependent on your car or your phone. But that's how it would work. Connect your phone to this, connect this to your FM radio, and then play your calls or your music through your phone through this device into your car. Thanks again to Syncwire for sending me this car wireless FM transmitter to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.